In this video, we'll be taking a look at the unique formula. If you have ever previously needed to remove duplicate values from a list, you may have copied the data somewhere else on the sheet and then clicked on the Remove Duplicate button inside the Data tab at the top of the screen, and then followed the prompts to show you the unique items. That certainly works until your data changes. By using the unique formula, it creates a list that updates automatically whenever the source data changes. The only thing you need to do is ensure that the range always includes the full set of data. Let's see how it works. As you see, the unique formula allows for 3 parameters to be entered, but all you need is the first one. This is where you specify the list of items that you want it to process. Let's complete the formula and select our range of departments. When I press enter, Excel automatically spills all the results down into the cells below. Note that I only typed in one formula. Excel automatically fills the remaining cells with the results. This is called a dynamic array and is one of the biggest improvements in modern Excel. If you had used the old method of clicking the Remove Duplicates button in the menu, you would now have a static list of unique data. But by using the unique formula, the list remains dynamic and will update if it detects changes to the source data. I'll change one of these departments to something that we do not currently have, and you notice that the new department is automatically reflected in the unique list without having to refresh anything. If I then add another name onto the data source and put in the new department, you notice that it doesn't update. This is the limitation I spoke about at the start of the video. You just need to ensure that your range in the unique formula accurately represents your data. I'll edit the formula and include the additional row, and you see that it now reflects the new addition. A common mistake you can make with any formula that uses dynamic arrays is to have data in one of the cells that it needs to spill into. If I enter some data into D5 and press enter, you see that the entire formula turns into a spill error. If I then click on the formula cell, you see that it helpfully provides a blue box for me as an indication of what cells it needs to use in order to complete the formula. And that's it for unique. It's useful for removing duplicate values from a range of cells and showing you all the unique values you have without having to go through the manual process every time your data updates. If this video has been useful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.